and predict the picture with accuracy. So if you want to approach Google Colab for training the YOLOv4, we can follow the steps like and execute and implement also. First of all, let's set the Google Colab's GPU. So by default it will be CPU. We can set as a GPU easily. After GPU only we can carry out the implementation. And so for this one we can download the data directly from the Google. So what you can do means you can type the code exclamatory mac directory /Google. Then we can upload the downloaded file. After this we can go for compiling .NET and we can go like this. We can give like this, and after that we can go for get the data set, that is with the help of git clone. And once .NET is cloned, we can modify the data set with the help of as percentage .NET, and we can give mac command. And if you want to optional, that is download the pre-trained weights for transfer learning, where you can write the code as wget and http github. This is helpful to download the data set. After the once everything over, at the end of the implementation, can carry out the process with transfer learning and get the image with predictions. What are the image? And prepare the data for YOLO. For you can give the command exclamatory cp hard hat direction.zip and unzip the file with the help of unzip hard hat direction.zip. Then you can go for everything. So we can write the coding, and this coding everything we see in the next class, next session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.